Hidden deep within the heart of Central Africa, the Congo Rainforest is a biological treasure trove, sheltering a dazzling array of life forms found nowhere else on Earth. Stretching across 6 countries, this vast expanse of jungle is the second largest rainforest on the planet and one of the most ecologically diverse regions in the world. The life that thrives here is as mysterious as it is mesmerizing. And among the millions of species that call the Congo home, 10 stand out for their uniqueness, adaptability, and sometimes their sheer strangeness. Few creatures are as iconic in the Congo as the bonobo. Often overshadowed by their more aggressive chimpanzee cousins, bonobos are fascinating not just for their physical similarities to humans, but also for their peaceful, matriarchal societies. Bonobos rely on cooperation and social bonding rather than conflict, making them one of the most socially complex primates on Earth. Found only south of the Congo River, these intelligent apes are critically endangered, and their existence is under constant threat from habitat loss and poaching. Another striking resident of the Congo is the Okapi, a creature so elusive that Western science didn't even document it until the early 20th century. With zebra-like stripes on its legs and the face of a giraffe, the okapi looks like something dreamed up in a fantasy novel. In reality, it's the giraffe's closest relative, adapted to a forest life with a long, prehensile tongue, perfect for stripping leaves in the undergrowth. Shy and solitary, the okapi has become a symbol of the rainforest's mystery, hiding in dense foliage and rarely spotted by humans. One of the most powerful animals in the Congo is the African forest elephant. Smaller and more secretive than its savanna counterpart, the forest elephant plays a vital role in maintaining the structure of the forest. As they wander, they carve out paths, spread seeds, and even shape the landscape through their feeding habits. Tragically, these elephants are severely threatened by poaching for ivory, and their populations have plummeted in recent decades, turning this ecological engineer into one of the forest's most endangered giants. The Congo is also home to the enigmatic Congo peafowl, a bird so elusive that it wasn't formally identified until the 1930s. Found nowhere else in the world, this shy and ground-dwelling bird is the only known peafowl native to Africa. With its subtle iridescent feathers and unique calls, it's a symbol of the untamed heart of the Congo. The bird's habits remain largely unknown, as sightings are rare, and much of its behavior is still a mystery, reflecting just how little is understood about life in the depths of the rainforest. Equally fascinating is the slender-snouted crocodile, an ancient predator that has remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. Unlike its more famous relatives, this crocodile has a narrow snout adapted for catching fish, and it lives a secretive life in the rainforest's rivers and swamps. It is critically endangered due to habitat destruction and bushmeat hunting. With its prehistoric appearance and patient, stealthy nature, the slender-snouted crocodile is both a relic of the past and a predator of the present, silently gliding through murky waters in search of prey. Among the rainforest's many primates, the golden-bellied mangabe stands out with its unique calls and striking coloration. Living in small vocal troops, these monkeys communicate through a wide range of sounds from whoops to barks. Their golden bellies contrast sharply with their dark limbs, making them one of the more visually distinctive monkeys in the region. Habitat loss continues to threaten their populations, but for now they still leap through the canopy, a living reminder of the Congo's primate diversity. No list of Congo species would be complete without mentioning the Goliath tigerfish. This freshwater predator is the stuff of nightmares, with razor-sharp teeth and a reputation for ferocity. Found in the Congo River and its tributaries, the Goliath tigerfish can grow over 4 feet long and is known for its incredible strength and aggression. Often called the piranha on steroids, it's both feared and respected by local fishermen. With its explosive attacks and powerful jaws, it dominates the waters it inhabits, a true apex predator of the river. Hidden in the forest canopy is the gaboon viper, a snake so well camouflaged that it can lie unnoticed among the leaf litter for hours or even days. Known for having the longest fangs of any venomous snake, up to 2 inches long, this viper delivers a powerful venom that is both cytotoxic and hemotoxic. Despite its lethal potential, the gaboon viper is incredibly patient, striking only when provoked or hunting. Its blend of power, stealth and beauty makes it one of the most fascinating reptiles in the Congo. The Congo also harbours some of the world's most vibrant amphibians, including the brilliantly coloured Congo dwarf clawed frog. These tiny aquatic frogs are often seen darting through shallow waters, feeding on small invertebrates. They're incredibly adaptable, capable of surviving in varied aquatic environments across the rainforest. Their vibrant appearance and energetic behaviour have made them popular in the exotic pet trade, although wild populations face pressure from habitat degradation and collection. Lastly, there's the African grey parrot, a species that's not only beautiful and intelligent, but also deeply social and emotionally complex. Known for their incredible mimicry skills, these parrots are among the most cognitively advanced birds in the world. In the wild, they live in tight-knit flocks, using complex vocalizations to communicate. Their intelligence, however, has made them a target in the illegal pet trade, leading to sharp declines in wild populations. Despite this, they remain one of the Congo's most iconic and beloved species, a feathered genius of the jungle canopy. Each of these 10 species reveals a different facet of the Congo rainforest, a place of danger, beauty, and untold complexity. From the patient stealth of a gaboon viper to the high intelligence of bonobos and parrots, the Congo's creatures reflect a world where survival demands not just strength, but strategy and adaptation. In a time when the rainforest faces mounting threats, these species stand as both guardians and symbols of one of the most precious ecosystems on Earth.